So after you are done downloading the whiteboard animation app, then you open it. This is the app, the whiteboard animation app. That is it. So you're going to open it or launch it or start it or load it. They are all the same languages. So when you click on it, you touch it, it will open. It is loading. It will open up. This is the whiteboard animation. It will open with a default page. This is the page it normally comes with. This is the first page. If you open it, this is the first page you are going to see. So all what you need to do is I'm going to explain each of the elements, each of the features here for you to understand vividly. So I'm going to start with the app. I'm going to start with this up need here, these 4 dots. So that is the setting of the app. That is the setting of the app. If you click on the 4 dots, it will open. Do you want to rate this app? Maybe the app is after working with it, is very good. You want to give your own comment, you want to share your own comment. Then you are going to rate the app there. Do you want to share the app? Do you want to set some privacy policy? And then a lot of them are here. So just come back, click this arrow here to come back to the main page. Just click on this arrow here to take you back to the main page. Click here to take you back to the main page. Take you back to the main page. So this is the main page. All what you need to do is 3 basic elements here that are very, very important. 3 basic elements or features that are very consequential that you need to know. The first element here is create animation. The second element here is my projects. And then the last element here is my work. I hope you can see it here. Create animation, my project, and my work. If you open the create animation, after working there, that work that you are doing there is your project. In case maybe you want to save it and continue later, if you save it from the draft and then you want to continue later, it will be under my project. So after you later on you want to continue with the same work, you come to my project, you open it, you see the work there, you edit it. After saving, if you now export it or convert it to a video, then that work now has become your work. So you're going to find it under my work. This one, maybe as you click on this create animation, you are working there, you want to save your work. If you save it, it will go straight to what? Your project. That work that you are creating in this whiteboard animation app, that is your project. So it will be here. After working, if you want to, anyone that you save or you save as video, you export it as video, you convert it as video now, it will be under what? My work. So that the differences between my project and my work here is, project is your current work or the work that you have saved that later on you will still edit. But my work is you have finished the work, you have already finished what you are doing there, you have already finished what you are customizing there, then you now export it or convert it to what? MP4. That is video quality MP4. Then to now become what? My work. So the first thing we need to do here is to click. If you are just starting, all what you need to do is to click on this create animation. That is what you need to do, because for now, as you are opening newly, you don't have no project, you don't have any work. There is no project, there is no work. So you need to what? Create new what? New project. So you click on this create animation. This is the create animation. Let me show you something. This is the create animation I'm talking about here. You just click on this rectangle shape here. That is it. So click on it. If you click on it, then you are being asked to type, you are going to type the name of the video, the name of the movie. You are going to give it a name, you are going to give it a title before starting your work. So for instance, I'll click here. So I'll click here, and then I hope you can see it. I'll type the name of the video. Let's say the name of my project now should be V1. Then you will come to the video quality, which is the first one. There is for that is the best, that is the highest, 920 times 1080. So you can choose any of the type you want. So I will advise you to go with the first one. Leave it on that first one. If you are done, then click on done. Look at done here. Once you click on it, the main page will appear. Okay, they have already used V1 before. There's a one that I already used V1 before. So let me use VKN. Any name, you can give it any name you want. If you are done, just click on, if you are done giving the name and then choosing the video type here or the video quality here, then you click on what? Done. If you click on done, it will take you to the default page. That is the main page. So this is the main page of the whiteboard animation. So I'm going to discuss all the elements here. All the elements, we're going to discuss all the elements. Let's start from the top. Let's start from the top. And I'm going to start with this arrow. This navigational key. That arrow you see there is called navigational key. That arrow will take you back to the previous page. This is the arrow I'm talking about here. This is the arrow I'm referring to. If you want to go back to the previous page, and then you bear in mind that the previous page is that create animation, my project, and my work. So if you want to go back to that page, then you click on that arrow there. It will take you back to what? To the previous page. And then we also have save. This is save. That is the save command. That is the save command. If you click on the save, you are automatically saving the work as draft. You see save as draft. If you click on it now, you see that the work has been saved as draft. So if you go back to that my project to be under my projects, the reason why sometimes you need to save it is maybe you are busy and you want to continue sometime. You know, it's part of editing, so you cannot like, if the work becomes too cumbersome for you, you need to like save so that later on you can still come back and then continue with the work. So you just save it there. If you want to save it, that is it. And then we also have the other arrow here, the arrow facing down with a bracket open under is the arrow. That one is for export. Export means this is export. Export means that is export. Export means you are sending this document or this project out now. You are converting it to something else. That is exporting. You are converting it to a video. All the work they have already combined here now. All they have already worked here. Now if you are exporting, you are now saving it as what? A video. You are now making it a full video, a full movie, or a full MP4. That is it. So this arrow here is for save. That arrow there is to export. This one here is for save. And then this one here, the navigational key will take you what? Backward. We also have, if you can see, we have two pages here. We have two pages here. This is this big black space you are seeing here is the first page. Is a live preview of what will happen in the main page. So this is your main page. This small one here is your main page. That is your main page. Why this one here, this big white blank space is for, this is where you are going to do the work. Whatever you are working here, it will appear in this small page here. So here is just a live preview of what will appear in this main page, and the main page is this small one here. This small one here is the main page. Why this big one here is what? Working area. That is the working area where you can work. That's where you can work. So that is it. We have two pages there. I'm just introducing you to the features first, I'm just introducing to the features. Let me come back again. I said this is the navigational key. This arrow here will take you backward. Why this command here is for save. Why this one here is for this one here is to export your work, as exporting to save it as video, a movie, or MP4. Why this space here is your live preview, your working area. This is where you'll be working. As you are working here, it will appear in this main page. This is your main page. This is your main page. So that is it. That is it. And then we also have here add music, but let's skip that one for now. Let's come to some of these features under here. The other features under here, if you come to those features here, we have the features under here. We have stickers. We have sticker. We have text. We have BG. BG means body background, the background of the page. We also have hand. We also have animator. We also have arrange. So we shall be discussing it one after the other. So let's start with this sticker. This is the sticker. This is the sticker I'm talking about. This is the sticker I'm talking about here. This is the sticker I'm talking about. So click on the sticker. If you open the sticker, under the sticker we have gallery, we have camera, and we have clip art. If you want to bring in your personal pictures, your personal objects into the whiteboard to work with, you click on the sticker, then you open what? You click on this gallery. You have already saved your images inside your phone device. So if you click on this gallery here, this is gallery. If you click on it, your saving locations will open, where you saved your images, or where you save your pictures, or where you save your clip will now open. So let's click. Now we are going to work with this gallery. If you click on the gallery to open, they say select an item. So these are my already saved files. So you look for pictures. You look for picture. Let's say I like this picture. You click on it. You click on it again. Once you click on it, then it will take you back to the default page. The default page is the main page. So this is it. I told you before that this place here, this big empty space here, blank space here, is the live preview of what will happen in the main page. So, and this is what your working area. So after importing the picture, bringing the picture, is a wish to place it anywhere you want. You can still drag it here. Drag it to enlarge it. You click on that small arrows there. So just click and then hold, press and hold it, then drag it. You increase. So if you don't like the picture, you look at there's a times there. That one means delete. So once you click on it, on the times, you have deleted. Please, we are still under this sticker. I'm still discussing the feature under what? Sticker. So under sticker again, let's go under sticker again. I think you have understand gallery now. If you want to take a live picture and then you want the picture to appear there, then you click on the camera. But my emphasis is on this clip art. My emphasis is on what? This clip art. Clip arts are graphics images, electronic graphic images that illustrate or portray the meaning, or that give meaning to what you are to a specific thing. For instance, I want to talk about market. I want to talk about building. From there, if I use clip art, there will be some building. Those are the electronic building that you will use there. So that is the work of the clip art. So if you click on this clip art now, under clip art we have shapes. These are the shapes. In case you want to use these shapes, you can use any of them. We have drawing. These are the drawing. You want to use any of the drawing here to illustrate or to give meaning to what we are discussing. We also have a school. So this is school. We have some building. We have some drawings under school. And this drawing. This electronics. This is social. This is weather. Furnitures. Kitchen. We have a kitchen. We have characters. So in case you want to use human being to illustrate or to demonstrate what you are working with, you can also use them. Do some of these clip art, the ones with padlock means they are locked. You have to like buy it. There's a premium, so you have to like, for you to unlock it, you have to buy it. There's a certain amount for each one of them. Either you can buy for the whole time down, I don't know how much, but when you click on it, then you can follow the procedure to like to buy it or to download it. So some of these empty ones. So let's work under this character. We also have character. We also have people here. Remind you, we are still under clip art. So I'm just explaining that feature, clip art. So let's come back to character. Let's say I want to use a human being to demonstrate something. Then I'll click on this one here. If I click on this one, look at the human being has appeared here. Let's move to the center of the page. Whatsoever that is happening in this preview page, in this work area, the same thing will also appear in your main page. This small space here is your main page. So if you click here and then enlarge it, you press and then you enlarge it, you put it here. So that is under clip art. That's under clip art. That has been explained. So there is this arrow here. There is this arrow. This is play arrow. Look at it here. If you want to play your work, if you want to like preview it to see how far you have worked there, you click on that arrow there. Is play. So just click here to see your work. That is what you have designed. That is it. That is the work. That's your whiteboard animation. The hand there, you can also change the hand. You can use any hand you like. If you like, you can use only the pen. You can use feather to illustrate the drawing there. So that's your that is your work, your project. So we are still under your clip art. Let's go back to the sticker. Clip art. You can choose any of this drawing. In case you need this shape, just click on the shape. It will appear there. You can arrange it well. Arrange it. So again, so we are through under these stickers. I think we are done, because there we have just 3 features. We have only 3 features under stickers. The first one is gallery. The second one is a camera. The last one is what? Clip art. And we advise you to work on the clip art more to perfect your work. So another element here again is text. Another element here is text. Let me move my tools up so they can see this is text. That is text. This is text. Under text, we have fonts. We have font color. We have the font size. We have the font style, and then so on. Under this text, the size of the text, the style that you can give to the text, the color that you can add to the text, and then so on and so forth. So if you want to write something, let's say you want to add some write up to this your design here, then you click on this text. So you type whatever thing that you are saying. Maybe you say hello, I'm Paul. Hello, I'm Paul Barnabas. I'm Paul Barnabas. You can write anything. This is where you can put in your text. So if you're done, you click on save. Once you are done typing, just click on save. If you click on save now, I want to explain some of this. These are styles. We have different styles. The styles of the text. As you are clicking each of them, you see different styles. Do you like this one? 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 Actually, the style and the size are together. If you can say the more you click on this style, the more it will increase in both the size, and then the effect of the text will also change. So if you need something small like this is it. Let's go with that one. Then this one here, this one there is the color. This one is the color. That is the color. You want to change the color of the text, you click on that one there to have different colors here. You can press this, you can place these notes anywhere and then touch any of the color. The text will automatically change. If you like this this red, if you like this color, like it like this, like it like this. So that is it. If you are done, you click on this. If you are done giving it sorry. If you are done, then you click on this mark here. You are done. So you can arrange it, press and hold, then drop the text anywhere you want. Hello, I am Paul. I'm Paul. So on that text, that is it. We also have BG. BG means body background. This is BG. BG means body background. That is the background of the page. Do you want to use your picture as a background? Do you want to use color as a background? Do you want to use texture as a background? So that is where you can change the background. By default, the background color of the page is white, because the name of it, you can also call it from the name. The name of the application we're working with is whiteboard animation. So the default color of the page is what? White. So if you want to change the white color to any of the color, you want to give it blue, green, any of the color, then you click on this BG. So let's click on it. Click on the BG. Under BG, if you want to use a picture as the background, you click on this gallery. Then you choose the picture. The picture will automatically become what? Your background. Let's say I want to use someone's picture as a background. This is what you see. I'll click on this gallery. I'll just click on the gallery here. Then my saving locations will open. I will locate where I save the picture. I will locate where I save the picture. Yes, I need this avatar maker. Which of the picture I want to use here as my background? Which of them? You can use any of the picture. That's in case I want to use any picture as a background. Yes, I want to use this as my background. Then it decides to appear, so you have to like trim it well on this space, but the space is very little. If I don't, you click on this mark. So you have used picture as the background color, that's as the background of the page now. So we are still under this BG. If you go back to BG again, now you have understood this gallery. So let's go to colors. In case you don't want to use any picture, you want to use just a color as the background, then you click on this color here. If you click on this color, the same thing. You choose the color you want. You choose the color you want. Is this one you like? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? If you like any of the color you like, you choose. If you are done, you click on this mark. I think we are done with sticker. We are done with text. We are done with BG, which is body background. Let's discuss the hand. There is hand. There are different styles of hands with the pen. Look at it. Do you want to use this style? Do you want to use this one? 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 Do you want to use any of them? We have feathers. Also, we have pen. We have different type here. We have only the pen without the hand. But if you don't, in case you don't need the hand, in case if you don't want to use the hand, then there is this empty space there. Once you choose it, the hand will not appear. But if you use any style, maybe I like this, I want to use this hand to illustrate my drawing, then I can choose this hand there. Then click on this mark here. So far so good. Let's play it and see. If you want to play it, this I've shown you that. If you want to play it, just click on this sign here, this play sign there. That's where you can play it to preview your work. So once you click on it, that is your work. As you can see, that is your work. That is the hand you have choose. That is the hand you have choose. The importance of graphics is how the colors you choose, your text, the way it comes, the animation and everything. So you have to be very careful. If you need a professional work, you need to be very careful with the way you choose your colors. I think that is the work now you can see. So we have art sticker, we have used text, we have used PG, and then now we have used hand. We also have animator. Animator is giving life to an object or the page. Giving a life to the page on an object, an animator will have different styles. How do you want the page to appear? Do you want the page to appear, is it left out like this? Do you want it like this? You want it to come in like this? So you can choose any of the animator here. Animator is giving life to the page or giving life to the object. You have different animators here. Do you want that each of these lines, so each of this page should be turning like this? Then you can choose it to turn like this, and you can choose. If you are done, you click on what? The mark here. So now we are done with sticker, we are done with text, BG, hand, and then animator. So I will skip this arrange for now. I want to discuss this arrow here. I want to discuss this arrow here. I want to discuss this arrow here. That plus. This plus sorry. This plus here is to add another page. You can add up to 1,000 pages depending on the number of pages you are working with. So this one is your page 1. In case you have work on this area here and the place is filled and you need extra page or you need extra slide, then you can click on this plus. Click on this plus. You have add another page. So let's add another page. Let's add another page. You will click on the plus. You see you have added another page. So you can still follow the same process. If you like to bring in your picture, you can still go to sticker, or if you want to use a clip art, you can still go to sticker. If you want to add text, you want to use some text, you can still come to this text. If you want to change the background of the page or the slide, you can still go to BG, on which you have already I have already explained that. If you go to BG, let's give it a color. This is the color we use for the other one. If I don't, this is the color we use. Do you want to type something? Say, hello, I am Paul Barnabas. I'm Paul Barnabas, a native of Thief Hess. From the page is very small, so your text should be, you just be adding little text. You click on this, save. So your style, you choose any style here you want. You take it up. If I don't, take it up. If you want to change the color, I've already taught you that. If you want to change the color of the text, still go back to the text. After save, cancel. Still, if you want to change the text now, you look at if you want to change the color, this is where you can change the color of the text now. After typing, in case you want to change the color, if you want to change the style now, look at this. There is a pen here where I'm pointing that arrow. There's a pen there. At the starting of that text, there is a pen there. There's a pen here. Yeah. So once you click on it, click on the pen. then it will open. It's very tiny, so and then it's open like this. So if you want to change the color now, you click on this one, you change the color of the text you want, close it. I am a native of Tiv Hairs from, but my statement is not complete. Hairs from Boko local government. I'll choose different style. I want this as styles. I'll choose any style I want. If I want to use a color, I want to use this red color. I'm done. I'll close it. I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down like this. I'm a native of Tiv Hairs from Boko local government. Area of Benue State. You can use any style. You can, mind you, I told you that for you to beautify your work, you have to be careful with the style you are giving, with the colors you are choosing. I'm just giving you an example. This is why I'm choosing random. I'm choosing the styles randomly. You can sit down and then make your work beautify. Your font style, the style of the text should be moderate, should be the same. Uniformity is highly recommended, please. And then the colors you are choosing, you have to be careful with the colors you are choosing as well. You want to change the color, click on that. Bring it, drag it down. You press on and drag it down. So let's play it and see what will happen. After that, if you want to play, you know what to do. Just click on if you want to play it, you know what to do. Just use the arrow. Use the arrow to play it and then to preview it to see how it will play. This is it. That is your work. That is your work. You can use this to explain a story. A native of Tiv Hairs from Boko local government. Local government. Area of Benue State. That is it. So from here, if you want to add another background, you still can add another background like this. Let's say under this background, I want to bring another shape here, maybe to illustrate Benue. Then bring another clip art. I will come to buildings. Yes, I'm using this as the city of Benue. Let me use this as the city of Benue. Choose on it. Bring it to the middle of the page. Maybe this is Benue. So if you want to change the background color, you know this BG. You want to change the background, the page background. This BG, click on it. Color. Give it to the previous colors we are using. Like this. So I want to discuss again. We are done with this sticker. We are done with text. We are done with BG, that is body background. We are done with this hand. We are done with this animator. Animator is the movement of the page, the style in which the page will display or will spring itself. That's the animator. Then what is remaining for us now is this arrange. Arrange means the setting of the pages. Do you want to arrange it? How do you want to arrange? After working, maybe you have up to 10 pages, or you have up to 20 pages, or you have up to 2 or 3 pages. How do you want to arrange it? Which of the page will come first? Which of the page will come second? Which of the page will come last? That is the meaning of the arrange. So if you click on this arrange now, let's use the arrange. If you click on this arrange now, if you click on this arrange now, these are the pages. This is your page 1, your page 2, and then your page 3. So how do you want to arrange it? Do you want this one to come before this one, or if you want this one, if you want to play over it or to move it, this is how you can move it. You hold here, press there, and then hold, then drag it up. Once you press there while holding touching your phone, your screen and hold, then you drag it to your desired location where you want to put it. So let's say I want this one with the man. That man own should be first, this one should be second. You don't need to come to the arrange. If you have already planned your work from the first page, you type what you want to type, you bring in your images or your pictures, you add a page by clicking on the plus. From there, the way you're adding the pages hierarchically or alphabetically or sequentially, no need of coming to arrange again. But in case maybe you have done a mistake, what you're supposed to put on page 2 is on page 10. Then from there you can just come and then take page 10, page 2 to 10, and then bring 10 to 2. That's all. If you are done, you click on this mark, take back to the main page. Now if you want to add a music, this is music. You can see it here. Add music. So that is music. If you want to add music to your work, that's where you can add the music. Once you click on it, you see all the music in your phone, all the music in your device will appear here. All the music, your device will appear there automatically. So if you like this one, you play it. If you like, you play it and save. If you are given option, you can play anyone you like.
Trendybeats.com.
If you like this one, then you choose it. If you choose it, look at the music there. The music has come in the default page. Then we also have this to cancel. In case you don't like the music, you cancel it from that X. In case you don't like the music, you cancel it here from this X. Once you press on it, you have cancelled it. So let's play it and see how it will go with our work.
Trendybeats.com.
This is your work.
With God, I go make a more. With Baba God, I go make a more.
This is your work.
With God, I don't make a more.
The way the page spring, that is animated. You have animated the page. So if you like each of the page, you give animator. Each of the page you are going to animate it as well.
In Jesus' name, I go make a more.
So this is your work from high to remember the drawing there is from this sticker, other sticker is from clip art. I advise you to pay much attention, be focused, study it, then you become perfect. If you become perfect, you are good to go. You can be using this to tell a story, you can be using it to teach, you can be using this to give your lectures, and then so on and so forth. So I'm going to give a summary of all the features here. I'm going to give a summary of all the features. I started with this, and I said this is what? There is the navigation key. That arrow will take you from the previous page. Why this one here is save. If you click on it or you touch that symbol, you have already saved your work. Now that we have already worked here, if you want to save or convert this work now to a video, a movie or MP4, then we'll click on this arrow here. That is, we're going to export it. So I told you again, I said this is what? A preview. Here we have 2 pages. This one is the live preview of what will happen in your main page. As you are working here, it will appear in your main page, but this is the working area. This is your working area. This place is your working area. Haven't done with that. If you want to add your music, this is where you see there is a command here that said add music. If you add music, the name of that music will be there. If you want to cancel the music in case you don't like the music again, I told you to click on this sign. You have already deleted the music. And then again, look at the pages. These are the main pages. This is the main page. This is the main page. These are the pages. These are the pages. These are the pages that I already worked with. Each of the pages, there is a basket at the extreme right of each of the page or slide. In case you don't like the slide, you want to delete it, then you click on it. You just click on the basket. This is a delete. If you want to delete this one, you then just click here. You want to delete this one, click here. You want to delete this one, click here. That one is delete. It's already gone. Okay, so the main features, the basic features of this app is here. These are the basic features of this app. They're the basic features of this app. Look at them here. The first one is sticker. This is your sticker. Another sticker I told that we have gallery, we have camera, and then we have a clip art. I've already explained that. So we also have a text where you can type your text. If you type, after finish typing your text, you can change the size of the text or change the color of the text. We also have BG. BG means body background. The background of the slide, the background of that page. Is it, if you want to use picture, you can use picture as the background. If you want to use color, you can still use color above the background. So this other one here is hand. We have different styles of hand that is going to make the drawing. It's going to interpolate that which you are already working here. So that we have different styles of the hand there. We have also feather, we have empty pen. Depend on your desire or what you have chosen there, depend on your choice. We also have an animator. This animator. Animator I told you that is giving life to the page or the slide. How is it going to display? Different styles of displaying. Is it for it to spring? Is it for it to swam? There are different styles there. And then we also discuss this. Arrange. Arrange is how sequentially how you put in those pages. You number the pages. Is it from number 1, 2, 3, 4, or maybe after working with 10 pages, you want that 10 to start displaying? Then you can come to this arrange. You arrange it there. That 10 will go up, and then so on and so forth. Now that you have understand this, let's work with this arrow. Now, if you want to save this work, I told you I want to save this work, click on this arrow here. But now we are not going to save the work. If you export it, automatically you save and then it will come back to a video again. So what we're going to do now is to export. We're going to export it now to save it as video or a movie. They want to save it as video, a movie. Now this is what we're going to do. You are going to click on your export command. This is it. That is your export. Click here. This is your export. Once you are done with your work, that is where you can export it. Now we are converting it to what? A video. So once you click here,
trendybeats.com.
say please wait, do not press back. You are going to wait for some seconds, minutes. So if your work is being saved, after this,
With God, I go make
after
a
exporting, for you to save your work,
With Baba God, I go
after
make
exporting
a
this work, I'll show you where to save the work.
With God, I don't make a in my
Now, after finish downloading, after the finish exporting your video, converting your work, your project now as a video. If you want to see the video, it will not some phone, some of these devices, it will not be in your gallery. So what you need to do is to go to your file manager. Just go to your file manager, straight to your file manager. If you want to see your video, just go to your file manager, then click on it. You click on it, try to open all files from this internal storage. All files from this internal storage. Once you click on it, click on the internal storage to see all the files. Then you know that file, that video is coming from which app? It's coming from Whiteboard app. So check, scroll down, keep on scrolling. You check Whiteboard. Look at Whiteboard here. So it means all your videos on that Whiteboard will be what? Here. This is where you can see it. So click on it. It will open. Click on it again. So this is your video. You can now play it and then see. So this is your video. You have now your project there has become what? A video. You can now share it to your friends. You can now create a YouTube channel and then add it there. Thank you so much for paying attention to this tutorial video. Thank you.